what you really meant echa okubera nti ba big three abo oyina woli grojja wani
now go with your drama, now I'm back with the hammer. Got nothing to lose, I'm a suicide bomber. Ulichenko la chiko pewa, bad manner. Baimuzande bazikoze sad to get honor. No biggie, bread like manna. Wickedly, pull up the hammer, make them stammer. Mulunji muluzungu, him lose his grammar. Necessity akulio montunga, Jeff Dama. Never on a run, I'm always incognito. When manyamusai, when you see the mosquito. Cold with smoke, sit against Cold with smoke, sit against a mojito. Big is big, I can never be little. Tola bobusungu wenina wa magneto. Tonkwata konjo changa tampeko. Laba my spinners zisinga tornado. Emundu zimbanga bayimbi besoweto. Simwana nabigele nebo zibabeya nako. Imuma motwebwe nokufa a good couple. Tola ba your fight in a losing battle. Zijana zi Rottweiler. Olina kapudo. Hey boy, why you cool like snow? No one know why. Them boy easy for dead like me roll dice. My mind live in a fridge like cold ice. We leave no smoke, not like when the pop dies. Never matori moriato, you will capsize. Even if you're not Michael, you will backslide. Pull it in any size, put them in your eyes. Get mixed up in a crime like it is spice. Circle the men's like it is a campus. Gunshot just a scene like Luther Vandross. Bagamba bideke, but me never divorce. Navigate anywhere like Chris Kalambos, yo. Torture, don't have a temperature. Now what's a dancer that a wali better?
Ajemwe koti.
Torture, don't have a temperature. But then no because torture, don't have a temperature. Now what's a dance on that a wali better? Supposing but me take picture. Watch a man get richer from literature. Yo, them little boy can't approach man. Using a mic or an echo scan. Step on a men's like a Air Force One. Then make a nigga end like a cell phone plan. Yo, touch your collar, don't touch by my shoulder. You will open up your head like it is a folder. Nezi fridge simpala na kuba me colder. Fe, tuba na bikopo huza me konda. Yo, overdose with metaphors. Moses with the miracles. Don't forget the syllables. Step them like a cockroach. Tap flow. Kick in every door in every corridor. Tap 4. No, we only aiming for the pinnacle. Non-stop, no hands up. Gunshot, no ransom. Bullet has a way to make you ugly when you're handsome. Now send a girl, me with greet, I am hands-on. It's me you will dead. May go run you to the grave. Let me be honest with you. Teri, and this is out of respect, there are few artists, one in Uganda, and that's what I meant. Let's say Chameleons, these are people I respect, but Bobi, but big three, none of them can do what I do. They cannot. Because because omuntu wamuwagire banga dene. Tekitegeeza ati yenkanazi. Mukumuwagire banga dene naye kubeerawo banga dene. Tekijjategeeza ati yenkana level. Level ondala. There is a different level. There is a different flex. When it comes to lyrics that are free from gimmicks, naye kati bw'otunuulira kiri ekyogamba nti omuntu akoze shows nene masize bafanzi bangi ekyo kirala naye bwe twogera ku art, I am the artist.
Thank you, Mr. Class. Sirabangako answer mpanvu bwetu Frank
alina intro empanvu kati mbale nomu answer nga mpanvu.
Answer mpanvu ejiddeko example ekujjako ekkooti. Do we have any question?
Concert. For you.
Kubanga wetegereza social zange ng'omuyimbi, I have a big audience. Oba kitegeera. Audience gye nnina si abali ba street. Oba kitegeera. Audience yange. Nimrod mwali bale Nimrod yomu ku bantu abapostinze concert ntikireri. That means anyumirwa naye waliwo ebitamunyumira. Oba kitegeera sinti buli luyimba lukwatako. Olumuyinza okwata ku mulala naye gwe terukwatako nga nesigama nti oluyimba lubi naye nga teruconnectinga naawe. So sinti buli luyimba obeera ku mukutu nalwo oba okitegeera. Waliwo abantu abaagala epas oli ayimba ennyimba eziwooma nga wuuyo nga give me a kiss, nga missing and loving, oba okitegeera, Mariana, waliwo abaagala ezo nkwagala, oba okitegeera. Then ate waliwo abantu abawuliriza abantu, oba okitegeera, abawuliriza oluyimba nga olumba, which are very calm. Then ate waliwo abantu abawuliriza dancehall wange, chupa ku chupa, touch the road while some of them ezo nga ze baagala, oba okitegeera. Then ate waliwo abaagala reggae, waliwo abaagala zuuku wange, zi memories, zi my lover, zi I'm loving. So weesanga nga abantu b'enjawulo baagala music ow'enjawulo. Kati ojja kwesanga ng'omuntu let's say nga Nimrod for example ng'ayagala nnyo dancehall wange. I'm very, very thankful. I'm very humbled. Musanyufu nnyo balaba mwenna, all the media, and my partners. I'm very, very humbled. From INM, you know, Fenon, these are my guys, through thick and thin. MTM, you know, callback tunes. I'm new on it, so guys, make sure you get there. This is the initial thing. I'm just beginning with the callback tunes, and it's interesting. The last time we met, we were seated on a platform like this, if you remember. Yeah, and we are here, and it's not even December. And I would like to big up my guy, Momo. Thank you so much for the kind words and the support. We really appreciate. My guys at Abja, I cannot wait for the future because it's not just for today. First of all, the journey has been crazy. For those who know me, I think I started officially, I think it was 2013 with Body Music. Effectively, we got Nessim into studio. I was in one very small room. By the time you saw me do music, I was sleeping in a pantry. Omanyi obustore obeera kumpi n'ekiyungu oba kyoyinza oyita kitchen. That's where I was sleeping doing music. I've never been a comfortable artist. I have never been a braggadocious artist. I've always been real, because real is rare and fake is everywhere. And I've always been hardworking, putting in work when it comes to studio, making sure that the studio side is sorted. But right now it's the stage. Stage has to be engaged. I've learned from so many artists in Uganda, whether it's Chameleon, Bobi Wine, Bebe Cool, Message, Silver Chagulani, so many of the artists, and I'm just mentioning but a few. And so many of these artists have given me a chance to also believe that I can be part of this industry, which is the music industry. I'm very humbled to have moved with people like Bini Ganta. Bini Ganta, I saw him start music. I saw him start music with his friend, and we were already doing it. And we were at school. He was at school, I was at school, you know? And we were doing music, recording, and seeing him still doing this. So many people we used to work with in those studios back then. I'm not even singing right now. And you can see the man still standing, and I'm still standing like Cindy said. But I'll tell you one thing. Music is all about resilience. So many people fall off, as people say, because sometimes they cannot take the pressure. Let me be honest with you. Nze nebo nvuma, nsigala numba. Nebo njerega, nsigala numba. Anyone who abuses me, I see it as fear. You're scared of me. You're scared of goodness. You've never seen anything like this. So you're trying to put it down. Guys, if you're watching me right now, if anyone is putting you down, just know they are less. If anyone is trying to pull you down, just know they are already down. That's why they are pulling you down. You're up. And keep being up. Struggle to stay up and above. And I've seen that in so many people, whether it's Steve, Fenon, you know, so much pressure comes when you're in a certain position. And there's a lot of pressure for me when it comes to this concert. No fan can give me the pressure I give myself. I like things to be nice. I like things to be great. That's why we have a sick production with Fenon. That's why we have one of the baddest sound engineers going to work with me. Is called Cabo. The man flew in on 24th of December. We are working with him in rehearsals, every rehearsal. Even today, we are having rehearsals in the evening. We started rehearsals in November. We did rehearsals in November, December. We're still doing rehearsals in January. That already shows you that we are not taking people for a joke. When people are coming to experience a concert, you have to give them their money's worth. Someone is paying their money. That means they appreciate what you do. You have to give them your best. And I'm going to give everything on that stage. I'm not going to be there playing around. I'm going to be there to deliver something beautiful. Maybe to see the Amazania. Watch the game. Omuntu wasasulira table million 3 n'emikwano gye 8 ne batuula. Omuntu wasasulira emitwalo 12, 15 twazisaze leero ku 10 only for today up to 6 with MTN, which is very special. That gives so many fans a chance to come. Abadde talina 12 osobola okugula ticket yo ku mitwalo 10. All these people are not making these sacrifices for nothing. They are making the sacrifices for the music, for the brand. And I'm very thankful for every partner. Man, guys, my media, man, my fellow artists who have come through, you know. I didn't call everyone, and I mean there are so many people, and some couldn't make it. So, I respect so many artists. If you've been watching, even when artists have shows, I always post them. Some of them posted me, but it doesn't matter. I am not here to look for friends. I hope you understand that. I'm here to do it for the fans. And the fans are going to enjoy the show. This show is yours. Big up to every single fan that has been pushing the show. I've seen so many fans who post on a daily basis. They even have countdowns. Guys, don't think about your fellow artists who are not supporting you. Think about your fan base. Those are the people who stand in for you. And big up to every artist that showed up today. And majority of these artists that you're seeing here are going to buy tickets or are going to buy taboos. That's how you support your fellow artist. Sikulinda show ya galoku yimba. Wakube jude, olindenge jude, wakube simo, yoshi ya jude, loza kati ya okanzije. Wanotota wana. Everything is actually curated and planned out. The whole performances are all curated. Buli kimu kiri organized. Tetugenda kuzanyira mbudde bw'abantu, ate tetugenda zanyira mu feelings zaabwe kuzijja kuteekawo bintu bya kirayi. So it's going to be well organized. I would love to thank each and every entertainer that is here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Serena, thank you so much for what's together. Sometimes we are but we at Serena and we are very thankful because Serena is also a partner. It's not just a venue, you know. And for me, those are my words for now, but I know this is not just about coming for an event. This is an experience. It's going to be a beautiful experience. More rehearsals. Never were to call rehearsals. Name pulida just to be sounding. Because we get that benefit. It's going to be the same feeling. You know, there's something I'm feeling inside me. And I would not love to end this statement without thanking God. This wouldn't be possible if it wasn't for God. I wouldn't be here. This wouldn't be possible if it wasn't for the fans. This wouldn't be possible if it wasn't for my parents. Tebali wano, but singa tebanzaala mu Uganda eyakabi, sandibadde wakabi mu Uganda eno. I'm very thankful for Uganda. I'm very thankful for my parents. I'm very thankful for every single fan. And I'm very thankful for everyone that has taken time to come here, watch us, or be part of this. This is a blessing. Thank you so much, and God bless you.
Mr. Akers. Thank you so much, Mr. Akers.
On behalf of Sanyuka TV, Star TV, Bukede TV, BBS TV, and YouTubers, tusaba ka speech ako kadde muko mu Luganda yadde dakika emu bambi.
Thank you.
So should I start? Bana njagala okwebaza buli omu azze mu practice conference yaffe eno eya APAS live in concert. Njagala okwebaza bapartner bange INM, basponsor baffe ne Serena Enini otugenda okubeera ne show. Leero ye press conference yaffe eya APAS live in concert bwe tu openingidde ekintu kino okulaga abantu nti ekyo kitandise. Show yaffe asatu mu lumu Jan nga 2025 omwaka guno gwennyini tusigazaayo ennaku ntono lwezi ennaku ziringa 14 kyegenda bawano ku Serena. Tickets zigenda kubeera ku MTN oka MTN Momo, then ate waliwo ne link eri mu Instagram yange oba ku TikTok. Still oba osobola ofuna ticket yo oba okitegeera ng'oli ku mukutu omulala ojja sobola ofuna ticket yo naye bannange buli omu ndowooza alina MTN oba ng'ogiina yanguwa. Tickets zigenda kubeera ku mitwalo 10 olunaku lwa leero paka saa 12 wondabira wano paka saa 12 ez'olunaku lwa leero. Naye nga tickets ziri ku mitwalo 12 ate ziri ku discount kozi zandibadde ku mitwalo 15 naye olwa MTN yazisaze ne zibeera ku mitwalo 12 naye ate leero ziri ate era ku mitwalo 10. So yazikkiriza wansi olw'olunaku luno olw'okuopeninga flow eya media okusobola okujja bamanye ku kintu kyaffe ekya APAS live in concert. Show yaffe egenda oba enkuumuufu, sound agenda bawa tabbu nnyo. Kino ekintu temukirabangako, kiralamu, kigenda bakisufu, kigenda bakinyuvu, kigenda bakiwoomu. Jangu owoomerwe, jangu olye APAS music awooma sagala kuli
Bye APAS. Bajje bakulye. Okay, let's have the second.
Abajja ku TV bana streaming live oba sharing copyrighted.
Sure, eyinza okubeera copyrighted, but bw'obanga oyagala okukola ekintu ng'ekyo tojja kikolera ku stage. Because remember show zino zibeerako abantu nga batudde ba VVIPs nga batudde mu bifo byabwe. Kati ate gwe bw'ojja mu maaso n'otandika okuteekawo embeera oba obalemesa nabo okukola ki okunyumirwa show. So kiba kirungi bw'obanga oli mu distance wona wona oba otudde oba okitegeera osobola capturing ekintu ekyo. Ate ekirala sheno njagala ngikwate nange ngiteekeyo YouTube yange oba okitegeera abantu bagirabe mu quality oyo yennyini nga bwe mugenda obanga mufuna mu mix board egenda obanga ekuba sound oyo tosobola kifuna ng'ostreaming oba okitegeera. So kwatayo akantu katono okateeke ku platform yo nendekera nange nteekeyo ekinene because music oyo wange ate nange njagala nkole ki nsobole omufunamu nsobole omuteekayo ku time nange ntuufu ennyimba ezo zigendeyo nga ne quality yakabi. Then gwe onoomala oba oyagala kusalamu after oteeke ku TikTok oba ki ekyo kijja ba kirungi naye ate olina quality yakabi. Nze kyensinga okufaako ye quality ate bwe tukitta nga tuli ku show si kirungi. Naye nga mwenna mbaagala era njagala mubeere nga musobola okulaba oba capturing moments cause nakyo kiyamba show abantu okugiraba elsewhere. So sigamba nti njagala banyigisa but at the same time njagala mufune engeri gye mukikwatamu bulungi kireme kubeera nga kinyigisa abantu abalala oba okitegeera.
Ekibuuzo kyange Nimrod concert abantu bali ready for you.
Abantu kubanga wetegereza social zange ng'omuyimbi I have a big audience oba okitegeera. Audience gye nnina si abali ba street oba okitegeera. Audience yange ne Nimrod mwali Nimrod y'omu ku bantu abapostinze concert nti kireri that means anyumirwa naye waliwo ebitamunyumira oba okitegeera. Si nti buli luyimba lukwatako olumuyinza okwata ku mulala nga negwe terukwatako nga nesigama nti oluyimba lubi naye nga teruconnectinga naawe. So si nti buli luyimba obeera ku mukutu nalwo oba okitegeera. Waliwo abantu abagala APAS oli ayimba ennyimba eziwooma nga wuuyo nga give me a kiss nga missing and loving oba okitegeera Mariana. Waliwo abagala ezo nkwagala oba okitegeera. then ate waliwo abantu abawuliriza abantu olwekitegeera abawuliriza oluyimba nga olumba which are very calm. Then ate waliwo abantu abawuliriza dancehall wange chupa ku chupa touch the road while some of them ezo nga ze baagala oba okitegeera. Then ate waliwo abaagala reggae, waliwo abaagala zuuku wange, zi memories, zi my lover, zi am loving. So weesanga nga abantu b'enjawulo baagala music ow'enjawulo. Kati ojja kwesanga ng'omuntu let's nga Nimrod for example ng'ayagala nnyo dancehall wange didadada chupa ku chupa guli wano sidda mu kyalo bye bimunyumira so nga kyayagala alabe okusinziira nti DJ oba okitegeera. Naye ate nezigi ziba zinyuma naye oyinza oba nga toconnectinga nazo so sisobola munenya kyendowooza nti aba vibinga ne byavibinga nabyo. But ngera bwogenda olaba sheeno eno show twagikoze nga buli omu agenda afuna ekintu kye. Ayagala ziri eziwooma ogenda ziwulira, ayagala lwago ogenda muwulira. So tulina segments nga nnya sijja zikugamba naye ziri nnya sijja kuwulira kikiri mu ki naye zonna zigenda kubeera ne vibe nga ndala nnyo. So tulina program ng'eri very well curated because tukimanyi nti abantu b'enjawulo baagala ennyimba ez'enjawulo. Ate tetusobola kuyimba nnyimba zonna naye tugenda kugezaako okuyimba ennyimba mpitirivu ku stage eyo olw'ensonga nti ennyimba nnyingi abantu ze bazze bawuliriza ate nga bandiyagadde bambi oziraba ku show yaffe esookera ddala.
Thank you.
Hit song.
And a big endorsement.
And a big what?
Endorsement deal.
I don't know, like, okay, I think that's all over the place, but I think I would love to showcase my art to people. Because the music, my music is a service. Simutwala nga kintu kyagamba mbuze njagala nyumirwe kati. For example, nafunye endorsement nga yakabi ng'empa ssente. Ekyo ekintu kiyamba nze nnyo okusinga bwe kiyamba abantu. And I would rather ekintu ekisobola okubeera useful to abantu abalala. Era nga bwe nagambye, like my first song when I drop is ku album gye bayita Apas, baluyita Olumba. Lugamba ekyejo kiveeko, keep fighting amigo, hold tight and don't let go. Wekanula amaaso, gateeke ku kirooto, teweebaka ku mutto. Baakola nnyo batulemese, naye twasigala tulumba. Omuntu yenna ayita mu situation mu life asobola holding oluyimba olwo n'agamba man, I've been going through a lot, but I'm still pushing. Sigivinze up. I like to make important music, not just fun music, because buli omu asobola oyimba ennyimba ez'okunyumisa. Nyinza n'okuba nga nze omu ku basinga abasobola oyimba ennyimba ezo ez'okunyumisa obunyumisa. Naye kirungi nnyo okukola ennyimba ezigattako mu bantu oba okitegeera nga bw'oyinza oyimba ng'abantu. So I would rather engeri yonna bwe kiba ng'ekintu kiyamba abalala ekyo nkyagala nnyo naye bwe kiba nga tekigattako kuyamba nnyo balala then siri so interested in that.
Rather go with the hit song.
I would rather go, and I would never choose a hit song. In my whole life, I've never had a hit song. And I think abantu abasinga balowooza nze mbadde ne hit songs. Sina hit songs. I just have important music. I have good music. Nti ne bw'onootuula wansi kati n'owuliza tuli ku bigere ajja fiiringanga oluyimba lwe nakola jjo oba leero olw'ensonga nti lukwatako. Oluyimba si lwange, ennyimba zino zammwe oba okitegeera. So I would never go with a hit song. I will always go with the fans. I would always go with performing for the fans. I would always go with the music. I would never go with a hit song because a hit song is marketed. Marketing bw'aba omulungi abantu ne bamanyi ennyo oluyimba nga bagamba that's a hit song. That means abantu bangi abalumanyi. Naye tekitegeeza nti lwa mugaso nnyo eri abantu. Oba okitegedde ennyimba nnyingi abantu ze bamanyi bw'oseka ninga emazima. Waliwo ennyimba nnyingi ze muwuliza omwaka oguwedde ng'ezisinga zonna za kidongo. Nga ne bwe tubala wano emyaka 2 mu maaso togenda kuddamu odduwuliza yadde okigezaako. Naye ng'ate mwali mugamba hit song kati nze mumbalira awo mba saagala kumbalira awo because music simukola bwenti.
Then I and then back.
The big three, the sound to choose a narrative.
it had become a cliche for you. Kulisaba big three, the BBCs. Era nzo okubavaayo okusupportinga kyebabyogerera okuteeka abantu mu direction naddala nga tufa ku the technical ability. Kyabuswavu nnyo nti ffe nga consumers ba music, sometimes nga critics, taking a time okudissecting a product. And oyogedde ku kintu awo kyenzikiriziganya naawe ekya hit song nti people market oli balagefuuka hit song naye nga tebuli temulina any purpose, tebuli infection to the culture. Then tufunayo abayimbi igwe, and I consider you a purist nakyogedde wali. And abantu, because abali mu media far abaguza abantu perceptions bali wano what you really meant ekya okubeera nti ba big three abo olina wooli erojja wani
kitandike bwenti nakowa ebya drama now I'm back with the hammer. Got nothing to lose, I'm a suicide bomber. Buli kyenkola kikopebwa bad manner. Baimuzange bazikozesa to get honor. Hihihi, no biggie, bread like manna. Wikidly, pull up the hammer, make them stammer. Mulungi mu luzungu, him lose his grammar. Esasi lyakuli omuntu nga Jeff Dahmer. Never on a run, I'm always incognito. Wemanya musai when you see the mosquito. Cold with smoke, cold with smoke, sitegeza mojito. Big is big, I can never be little. Tulaba obusungu bwenina bwa magnito. Tonkwatako njokyanga tampeko. Laba my spinners zisinga tornado. Emundu ziyimba ng'abayimbi b'e Soweto. Simwana na bigere ne bwe zibabeeyanako. Limumu omutwebwe n'okufa a good couple. Tolaba yo fight in a losing battle. Zijana zi Rottweiler. Olina kapudo. Hey boy, why you cool like snow? No one know why. Them boy easy for dead like me roll dice. My mind live in a fridge like cold ice. We leave no smoke, not like when the pop dies. Never matori moriato, you will capsize. Even if you're not Michael, you will backslide. Pull it in any size, put them in your eyes. Get mixed up in a crime like it is spice. Circle the men's like it is a campus. Gunshot just a sing like Luther Vandross. Bagamba bideke, but me never divorce. Navigate anyway like Chris Kalan boss yo. Torch, I don't have a temperature. Now what's a dancer that a wali better?
Ajemwe koti.
Torch, I don't have a temperature. But then no temperature. Because torch, I don't have a temperature. Now what's a dance on that a wali better? Supposing, but me take picture. Watch a man get richer from literature. Yo, them lyrical boy can't approach man. Using a mic or an echo scan. Step on a men's like a Air Force One. Then make a nigga end like a cell phone plan. Yo, touch your collar, don't touch pa my shoulder. We will open up your head like it is a folder. Nezi fridge zimpala na kuba me colder. Fe, tuba na bikopo huza me konda. Yo, overdose with metaphors. Moses with the miracles. Don't forget the syllables. Step them like a cockroach. Tap flow. Kick in every door in every corridor. Tap 4. No, we only aiming for the pinnacle. Non-stop, no hands up. Gunshot, no ransom. Bullet has a way to make you ugly when you're handsome. Now send no girl, me with greet, I am hands-on. This me you will dead. May go run you to the grave. Let me be honest with you. Teri, and this is out of respect. There are few artists, one from Uganda, and that's what I meant. Let's say Chameleons. These are people I respect, but Bobi, but big three, none of them can do what I do. They cannot. Because because omuntu wamuwagira ebbanga ddene tekitegeeza nti yenkanazi. Mukumuwagira ebbanga ddene naye kubeerawo ebbanga ddene tekijja tegeeza nti yenkana level. Level ndala. There is a different level. There is a different flex. When it comes to lyrics that are free from gimmicks, naye kati bw'otunuulira kiri ekyogamba nti omuntu akoze shows nnene amasinze bafans bangi ekyo kirala. Naye bwe twogera ku art, I am the artist. Yeah,
Thank you, Messiah Class. Siyabanga ko answer mpanvu bwetu flanga time.
Ina intro empanvu kati mbadde nnomu answer nga mpanvu.
Answer mpanvu ejiddeko example ekujjako ekkooti. Do we have any question?